Welcome back, folks. Today,
I'm going to put conduit in the ground, 2-inch diameter. I figure that'll be a good size for when I come back later and put the wire in there, 2224, with a 100 amp breaker over there. Come all the way over here, and that way I'll be able to put a 100 amp panel over here for when I do a garage over there. Anyway, I just want to get that power conduit in the ground now, because if I put this driveway here, it's going to be like, you know, even harder to get around it and get over here. So figure might as well do it now. So first thing I'm gonna do right here is grease up the machine, and then we'll start digging that trench. Next day here, battery died on me last night. Didn't know it, but anyway, I got this trench dug from right there all the way over here. So you remember I showed you I hit this line right here. Turns out this line is just an extra line, which was kind of weird because I forgot about it. I remembered it when I was over here, so I was good when I hit that line, but I came over here and I started with the shovel, as you can see right there, because I was trying to find the line that comes down right here for the that's our cable line. Anyway, I couldn't find it, so I was like, well, let me dig a little bit. And the first scratch with the bucket, you know, I found it, and all I did was pull it out. Really, I just kind of moved it. You can see I kind of just nicked that coating, so we just put electrical tape around. I still had a Spectrum come out here, and all it did was pull the connection down out of the splitter there, which is kind of weird. I thought it broke it, but he said it didn't. He just stuck it back on there, so I really didn't need them. But you know, it was good because that was what it means is I still got a solid line all the way out there, so that's good. Happy about that. But so yeah, I just got to do some shovel work right there to where I can go into that panel right there. So that'd be good. I had to remove my temporary power pole, which, you know, I needed to do that anyway, but I got that all out of the way. And the cool thing about it, I was able to save my grounding rod, so I can use that over there when I do my garage for the power for it when I put a panel over there. So that'll be good. All right, well, let me keep going. Okay, got the trench all dug, ready for my conduit. So this trench is 2 feet deep. Go through the machine here. And to the meter. So I just got a little shovel work to do on both sides and I'll be ready. But yeah, I was talking about this wire earlier. I don't think I finished the story, but so you can see how it's on this side of the trench. You know, I thought when I was digging over here that it was gonna cross over and be that one that I cut in half over there. But it never did. I never did hit again. So I was like, well, huh. And that's where I was remember when they laid this line that they put an extra one. What happened was they laid one that wasn't long enough, so they just said, screw it, we'll do another one. I forgot about that. So anyway, I really need to pull that wire out so it's not confusing the next time. Anyway, okay, another day here. All right, so I'm out here getting ready to put my conduit down from my meter here. So I opened this up. I took the panel off and put it over there. And then I came in here, kind of looked at it, and figured because of all this big wire everywhere, my best place is to come up right here, and my breaker will go right there, my 100 amp breaker. So I just drilled a hole right there, put my 2-inch connection right there, and putting the nut on it. And now I'm ready to put my conduit on there. It'll kind of end up looking like this, coming out of the box and going down to the ground. So all right, let me go ahead and continue on. Okay, so I basically drilled out my brick there, got a little bit more space so I can get my pipe in there. But what happened was I drilled my hole for my connection there to the box a little bit too far back. So I mean, I can turn this right here and it won't go in there, but you know, it's just too far back. So I bought a offset one. So let me install that and we'll be right back. Okay, I finally got this thing installed. What kind of a pain in the butt. Anyway, so I had my offset there, knock out the brick, and I got as close as I could to the wall right there. And I went down, I went around. So I'm ready to start rock and roll now. Alright, well, let me keep on going. Oh, I gotta put the panel back on, then I'll be ready to rock and roll. Alright, let's do that. Okay, got that panel back installed. Looks really good. Now I'm gonna get down in that trench and start putting the conduit in there. Okay, got that all done. I'm ready to backfill now. Okay, just got done backfilling this. Looks really good. Real happy with it. Now in the future I'll be able to put a wire in there and run it all the way to the other side of the house for when I build a garage over there. I'll have power. So that'll be good. And now I can get back to work on doing this driveway right here. That's what I started out to do. And then I'm like, you know what? I gotta put power over here. So, like I was saying, before I get that driveway in there, because once I get that in there, I have to go way out. And I'm not gonna go way out there and, you know, tear everything up. So, I'm like, well, now is a good time to do it. So, anyway, I'm in this video right here. Thanks for watching. Do the next one.